Elise, Andy, Santor, thanks for coming today. Going to take a look at two videos we took of you face on. Now, this video right was earlier, video left is later, and what we're focusing on is, trying to cure this reverse spine angle. Now, if you look at the position of our torso, you can see the bottom of our spine and the top of our spine that is leaning toward the target. So in other words, the bottom of our spine is backswing side, top of our spine is target side. That's what we call a reverse spine angle, and among many of the things that it'll do, the biggest thing in our particular instance is our body is going to correct itself here on our downswing. You can see it's corrected ourselves. So that tells you we're moving, our torso almost has to move backwards a little bit in order for it to correct itself, or the top of our torso, resulting in, you can see there right before impact, we're coming into the golf club. We have an open club face. In your situation, ball's going to go out to the right. Video left, we have you a little bit, change your setup a little bit. We have you in what we call a forward bend, which I gave you some motor skill drills to do to help you with that. Get the feeling of bending forward from the hips as opposed to video on the right there, our setup. We were a little too vertical. And there we will go into our backswing. You can still see somewhat of a reverse spine angle, but it's improved. So because of that, there's not going to be as much correction going on. Now there you go, right before impact, and we're getting that club head out in front of us. You can see the club face is more square, and we're going to be able to square it up at impact and beyond impact because of that. So, gave you some motor skill drills to do to cure this reverse spine angle. Now, the biggest reason we get into a reverse spine angle, most of us, is because we don't have good enough internal rotation in our trail hip, which in your case is your right hip. Gave you some drills to do on hip rotation, some body prep and motor skill drills to do. And I also mentioned to you, we need to get our glutes stronger. So, but as we went on into the session, we got much better from beginning to end, and also choking up on that driver, choking down on it a little bit helped, get you more in a forward bend. And we get into a forward bend so our body can rotate easier. So, and work on those things. Thanks for coming. We'll see you soon.